Question number 3, C. Write the first 4 multiples. Here we have to write 4 multiples. Okay, so number 1 is 5. So 5 table we have to write till 4. So 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. Till 4 we have to write. So our answer, the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20. Then second one is 8. So 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. Answer, the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32. Now number 3. So 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12. Now number 4, 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. So answer, the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24. Now number 5, 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. So the multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36. Now question number 3, D. Find the LCM. So number 1, 8 and 12. So first we will take out prime factorization for 8. So 8 will come in 2 table. Yes. So 2 fours are 8. Then 2 twos are 4. Then 2 ones are 2. Now for 12. 12 will come in 2 table. Yes. 2 6 are 12. 2 threes are 6. Then 3 ones are 3. Now we have to write the factors for 8 first. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Then for 12, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Here common factors are 2 and 2. The LCM equal to, here we will multiply common factor and other left factor also in LCM. So common factor 2 and 2, that we will write one time, and other factor 2 and 3. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 threes are 24. So the LCM of 8 and 12 equal to 24. Now number 2, 6 and 18. So first we will take out prime factorization for 6. So 6 will come in 2 table. Yes. 2 threes are 6. Then 3 will come in 3 table. 3 ones are 3. Now for 18. 18 will come in 2 table. Yes. 2 nines are 18. 9 will not come in 2 table. So now we will move to 3. So 3 threes are 9. Then 3 ones are 3. Now we have to write the factors of 6. 2 multiplied by 3. Now factors of 18. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now the common factors are 2 and 3. So the LCM is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. The common factors we will write one time, and left factor is 3. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. The LCM of 6 and 18 equal to 18. 4 and 7. So first we will take out prime factorization for 4. So 4 will come in 2 table. Yes, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. Now for 7. 7 will come in 2 table. No, so it will come in 7 table only. So 7 1s are 7. Now we will write the factors for 4. 2 multiplied by 2. Now for 7, only 7. So the LCM is, here no common factor is there, so we will take all factors. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. So 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. The LCM of 4 and 7 equal to 28. Now next, number 4, 5 and 9. 5 will come in 5 table. So 5 1s are 5. Now for 9, 9 will come in 3 table. So 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Now factors for 5, 5, and factors for 9, 3 multiplied by 3. Here also no common factor. So we will take all factor. The LCM is 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. The LCM of 5 and 9 equal to 5 3s are 15. 15 3s are 45. Now next, number 5, 15 and 25. 15 will not come in 2 table. It will come in 3 table. Yes, 3 5s are 15. Then 5 1s are 5. Now for 25. 25 will come in 5 table. 5 5s are 25. Then 5 1s are 5. Now we will write factors for 15. 3 multiplied by 5. Now factors for 25. 5 multiplied by 5. Here common factor 5. The LCM is 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. The LCM of 15 and 25 equal to 3 5s are 15. 15 5s are 75. So the LCM of 15 and 25 is 75. Okay children, remaining sum you have to do from PDF. Okay, thank you.